Okay, so it's just under the eye check. I guess I need to buy a UPS for my Wi-Fi also.
The system का UPS.
System ka UPS is there. System is there. Wi-Fi, there is no like UPS. It's in a different room. If I
Sir, why did you need the eyes darker?
what?
So, before the video went out, you said the eyes need to be more dark.
Yeah, so that's what I was doing. So I just changed the color.
Okay, sir, for this particular model.
This particular model, like because this particular model have like a dark color eyes, like it's
Yes.
evil. So I just made it dark. That's it. So we rendered this thing, so you can see like mostly overall it looks kind of fine. I can reduce it slightly, very subtle, make it a little less glossy. But overall, it's like kind of looks fine. So I can now this character there was no eyebrow, so there's no eyebrow. That's fine. So
Sir, alpha cards.
yeah, alpha cards. So let's
सर ये सब videos भी आप डाल देंगे ना उसमें? And sir पहले के थोड़ा सा मतलब sir texturing का भी class videos.
I guess वो होना चाहिए. Like because last week I have uploaded like whatever I had uploaded everything. I'll just cross check it. Maybe I missed something. So I'll cross check it.
सर मैंने double check किया था सर नहीं है इसमें.
Okay, मैं देखता हूँ ठीक है. Okay. Okay, so like this you use displacement map and you render everything. So you can see like this render and your normal render looks little different. So with this you can get very high quality detail. And plus like suppose you want to enhance this like all these ports and everything, you want to make it a little crispy, I can import my displacement map in Zebra or this thing Photoshop and extract a high pass and use that as a second displacement.
Sir, what is the high pass?
In Photoshop there's a high pass option is there, right? So just duplicate Control J, filters, other, high pass. And if you zoom in, you can see it basically removes any white and black. It makes everything gray, basically. You can reduce it also if you want. And this is without any white part, anything.
Sir, how do we open that high pass?
Filter others, high pass. And then changes to overlay. So it basically makes all the pores little sharp.
So what does high pass do exactly? Like
it average out all the like basically read all the like color transition and read all the edges. So it basically make black and white map out of it, and then you can use it for make it sharp or crispy or something else.
Okay, sir.
Basic. So you can see it makes the overlaid. It makes everything little crispy.
Okay, sir.
So
Sir,
now
if your model does the model does not have any mouth cavity.
I guess it should have. I don't remember now though. Um, yes, it have mouth cavity.
Sir, in my model, the mouth cavity is a bit too much.
So use soft selection and reduce it. Like close the lips. Like suppose I want to close the lips, and I can close it.
Sir, ये दोनों side how is symmetry on?
Symmetry is on. That's why.
Sir, how do we turn it on?
Control Shift right click symmetry symmetry.
Okay.
So whichever direction you want, X, Y, Z, you can switch on that also.
Okay. Sir, एक और problem हो रही थी when I was mirroring some of my models. तो दोनों side armor pieces थे. Sir, from right to left it was mirroring properly, but left to right mirror नहीं हो रहा था sir.
मिरर नहीं हो रहा था तो क्या कर रहा था, क्या हो रहा था उसमें?
Sir, कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. Like I was like
You
going
have
to
to
the
do
mirror.
-1 for left. You have to do -1 for that.
Okay. Okay.
Like usually we type 1, right? So for
Yes.
that you have to do -1.
Okay, sir.
So close. You can close the lips, and it will work. It should work perfectly. And I feel like this lashes should be slightly bigger. I can control that also. The symmetry is on. Yeah, symmetry is on. Like all this correction, like once I render, I can see, okay, my eyelashes are not prominently visible, or the angle is not accurate. I can fix it.
Sir, but won't the texture, like the texture will remain the same, so
It will remain the same because I'm stretching the mesh. So texture also will stretch along with it.
because you're stretching it here and not in the UVs.
UV now.
Okay.
Let's see this thing. Okay. So now suppose I have now alpha card. So like this is so clear, right? Displacement.
Yes, sir.
So rest, for everything same same process, but try not to use displacement map for all the parts, like especially for skin, like
Only
for
the
this
skin.
horn, wherever it's required. So horns and all, we have really those fine details. So for that, I'll use displacement map, and rest of the body or rest of the other parts, I won't use anything.
Okay, sir.
So I'll use normal map for them. So it will work perfectly. So because if more displacement map means it will increase rendering time.
Yes, sir. Sir, Unreal बताते time आपने बताया था displacement maps make it heavy.
It's make it like really heavy. So like अभी तो इसका मतलब basic हो गया. So अभी I can modify things and then I can render it out. So save it. Let's see. And I guess I have the alpha file. Let's see.
Sir, एक बार मेरा render भी check कर लीजिए ना, sir.
Oh, बिल्कुल.
So the texturing is very, very basic, but I hope the details are fine. सर एक और डाउट ये था कि लेदर को लाइक I could not figure out how to create better damage in leather.
Damage like leather will be like color will change, plus scratches will be there. There will be some parts that like leather usually discolor. So
Discolor तो डाला है सर मैंने इसमें.
so discoloration and tonal values change करना पड़ेगा उसका.
Sir, इसमें I have to add the sword and the helmet and pose it and hair.
Okay. Like overall color looks fine. Lighting looks fine. There is no issue. Like it looks fine. Camera angle थोड़ा ठीक हो सकता है because right now I can see legs भी foreshortening हो रहा है, body भी foreshortening हो रहा है. So जो नहीं होना चाहिए. So increase the focal length, make it like 50, 60 or 80, 90 or maybe beyond that. So make little less foreshortening. तो सच देखने में अच्छा लगेगा ये. But yes, like जैसे leather में tonal values change हो सकता है. It's for this I guess you can check leather bags and all. Leather bag. So if you check leather bag, you can see how it weathers.
Okay.
Tonal value. So उसके according you can modify it because these kind of color if you add it will look more realistic.
Yes.
So kind of it looks nice. Like it's like lighting. It's nice lighting. Only the camera you have to fix and add more tonal values. It will look nice and clean.
Okay, sir. Sir, posing में, my model does not really have a body. Only the fingers and the head is visible.
That's fine. They like use that armor as a body.
Okay. Sir, posing के लिए sir ZBrush में like I'll just.
ZBrush में this for this use ZBrush to be much easier. If you try to do it in Mixamo, you have to delete all the armors, then take it to there, and then it will be really complex and difficult because there inside there is no body, so it might act strange also.
Sir, but overall the model, like if I polish it with hair and skin details and everything,
it will look nice, yes. And like light wise, I'll say like use a one yellowish tint light, maybe little orangish yellowish tint, and from back I use a blue light. If you check most of the renders in industry, like ArtStation, every like it's little warm, they have a warm and cool light combination. Yes, always.
Sir, warm तो मैंने डाला था सर yellow और orange like low intensity में.
हाँ थोड़ा सा blue ऐड करने से वो बिल्कुल बैलेंस हो जाएगा.
Okay sir. So, but this will look nice in the portfolio piece, right? Once
you render it, it will look nice. Okay, so alpha. So this is again, anyways, this is a WIV file. It's not finished yet. So like what we do is, so we create planes. Just an alpha card.
Okay, sir. Abhi tak I was thinking that one plane will have just one hair. So I was very much worried how to do it.
So you create multiple planes for eyebrows. Also, you can see single plane.
Okay.
Small plane, and you can see there's so many planes just to make it dense.
So I'll just like copy paste.
Just like create 2-3 variation. I'll show you texture. So what I did here is, this is one text. It says, see, so I have created one long hair, a small multiple hairs to blend it.
Okay.
So then, so you can see, I select this. So you can see, I have used all the small hairs to make it. Wherever I have a front area, I use this kind of part, this kind of section. For sides, I have used the side. You can see smaller one, single strands. That's it. So similarly for hair also I started blending. So you can see one plane, and for this fine hair, there's so many small alpha cards. Just a plane. So blend everything. So base, you can see for hair, what I did is I kept a base, because I cannot create that many polygons. It will like be super heavy. So what I did, I kept a base here, and top of this, I started adding all these planes, and then it's using this texture.
The base.
Base, same texture, is using same base texture only. It just like this is little denser. So if I make it flat colors, no shadows, and fourth shot me
So these are strips of planes.
planes. Just this is just planes. I create one plane and apply it here.
So base iska, sir, there's one, okay.
This is just one single mesh. This is exported from ZBrush. One single mesh, and rest everything is alpha cards are manual work. It's all manual.
Okay.
So manually you have to place one by one, and then check like how to fit it, and align them nicely.
Sir, I was actually worried about this because मुझे लगा every single hair strand is like one different.
No. Same thing, combine like multiple times. I have a repeat, like Control D, duplicate.
Sir, so these will also have all the texture maps.
Yes, like you can create like alpha, diffuse, and for specular and all, you can use like default roughness, not necessarily, but it's a basic. Just convert the diffuse into a black and white map, invert it, it will work.
Okay.
And rest all the specularity with IOR, you can control it.
Okay, sir.
So.
So I can draw some of the small hairs on the face also, right?
Yes, like we have to draw. Like for blending purpose, we have to draw a couple of hair.
Okay.
So otherwise, it won't blend. No matter what you do, you can see base. I have painted a couple of hair, dot. You can see.
Yes,
so you have to paint those things and then blend it. So both a combination of base and this alpha card, it will work perfectly.
Okay, sir.
And you can see same eyelash also. You can see for this character, I have doubled the eyelash because from distance it wasn't visible. So I just doubled it. Same texture, just duplicate the plane.
Okay, sir.
And this is, so I believe, almost same. You can see the corner is the single, and in between all this I have used edges again. This one, combine everything and generate. It just placement, how you place it. It's all about that.
Sir, how did you put the texture?
Alpha, I painted it in Photoshop.
So, but this is alpha and diffuse together.
Yes, for alpha, you have to create it alpha channel, right?
Yes, sir.
So I created a texture. I create the texture, and then I created the alpha map also top of it texture map. Then copied it and pasted it into alpha channel. Again, PowerPoint.